Welcome! We're going to take you through how to create your very own Melbourne Victory away kit in Canva. Our jersey template is made of individual parts. You can change the colour of these parts by simply clicking on each one and moving to the top left-hand side of the editor. Once you're happy with the colour of your jersey, you're able to add elements to it. Type in the element you would like and search. Once you've selected your element, you are able to rotate, change the position and the colour. Once you're happy with the front of your jersey, ensure that you replicate the same design on the back. You can simply copy and paste your elements onto the back of the jersey. Change the positioning by right-clicking. Add your name and your favourite number. Once you're happy with your jersey design and you would like to submit, please move to the top right-hand side of the page. You can submit your design by simply copying the share link or downloading your design. Make sure to submit your design at melbournevictory.com.au/kit. Good luck and happy designing!